Europe is definitely one of the best study abroad destinations for an international student and at the same time gives out most scholarships. Now, I've been traveling across Europe since a really long time and I've talked to more than 500 students from India who have studied in Europe for free. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about all those scholarships, all the scholarships that you can apply for. So by the end of this video, you will exactly know what all scholarships to apply for. But all I ask for is a subscribe button because it takes a lot of efforts to first of all come to such places, then talk to so many people, and then finally come here and record this video. Subscribe now. First and the biggest scholarship, maximum number of international students who are studying in Europe for free are studying because of this scholarship. That is called Erasmus Mundus Joint Scholarship. Now, why was this scholarship set up? So that you have interdisciplinary courses in interdisciplinary countries. So basically, you would come to Germany, France, Italy, you'll study in 3-4 countries and you will be studying some specific topics. So there is a list of 10 to 15 topics, only those are the ones that you can study. So what I'm planning to do is make an entire video with a student who has already got an Erasmus Mundus Joint Scholarship so that they can tell you, first of all, how did they apply for it? Secondly, what are the steps you have to keep in mind? Thirdly, what to keep in your profile. I'll make an entire video. All I again ask for is a subscribe. But what do you get in this scholarship? You get entire tuition fees waiver, travel allowance, a monthly stipend of 1,000 to 1,500 euros. The eligibility is you need a bachelor's degree, English proficiency test, IELTS or TOEFL. And the best thing is, the deadlines for this is usually in January to March. So if you're watching this video right now, there still is a chance that you can get this. You just have to go and apply for it. And one more interesting thing is every year, 25,000 students benefit from this scholarship. 25,000 students. Why didn't you know about it? Because probably you are not following me. Second scholarship that you have to apply for is Swiss Government Excellence Scholarship. Now, this scholarship is usually for PhD and postdoctoral students, but it is one of the best scholarships out there in the entire world, but just for PhD and postdoc students. So I'll not be spending a lot of time talking about it. All you need to know, it's one of the most competitive scholarships out there, but one of the best scholarships out there. You get full tuition fees covered, health insurance, a monthly stipend of 1920 to 2000 francs, and the eligibility is you need to have a solid research proposal. Deadline for this is September to December. Third one is Mastermind Scholarship Belgium. Now, if you have a GPA of 3.5 or more out of 4, then you can definitely apply for this scholarship. Again, the coverage is full tuition fees plus an 8,400 euro stipend every year in this scholarship. How do you apply for this scholarship? You have to apply for the Flemish University, and if you apply to Flemish University and get in, then you'll be eligible for this scholarship. One more interesting thing about this university is 1/5 of all the international students studying there are international students, and 10% of all the students get this scholarship. Also, wait, I forgot to tell you, if you're planning to apply for European universities and need help with applying there, not specifically scholarships, but in general to universities, then my team can help you. Again, this is not for scholarships, but to apply to universities, my team can help you. Go to the description, fill the form, and my team will help you with the application process and will tell you what all to add to your profile, what all to remove, and everything else. Description link. You know what I'm thinking? That we can change the scenery as well, because this side is even more beautiful. But like, this side is also beautiful, but now I'll be against the sun. Maybe we should stick to our position. This was good. Sorry, I just wanted to show you around that this is a very beautiful city, taking so many efforts to record the video and still not got your subscribers. At number 4, you have to apply for the DAAD Germany scholarship, for which I've already made an entire video. You can watch this video, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, you would have had the chance to apply for it last year as well. But now again for this year, you can apply for this scholarship, so you can go and watch that video. Or wait. I'll do one more thing. I'll leave the link of that video at the end of this video so you can watch that video also. At number 5, I was really surprised to know that Leiden University in Netherlands also gives out a lot of scholarships. Now, this is not a fully funded scholarship, nor does it give you stipend, but they end up giving you 15,000 euros worth of scholarship. So that is also very interesting because the fees is usually on the lower end. What you can do is you can ask for the university for an application fee waiver, apply to the university and see what are your chances of getting that scholarship. Number 6, we have Gates Cambridge Scholarship, but that is just for UK. Not a part of European Union, but part of Europe in general. That's why I've kept it in this video. And then there is also Commonwealth Scholarship, for which both of these I've already made a video, so I'm not going to talk about those in this video. But talking about the 7th scholarship, that's the Danish Government Scholarship. First, full tuition fees gets covered. Second, you also get a living stipend. Now, this is by Denmark government, and in this, again, your full tuition fees gets covered and you also get a living stipend. Now, all I want from you is to apply for all these scholarships with your whole heart. Always remember, I've seen applications of students who just apply half-heartedly. If you're applying to one of these scholarships, these are one of the most prestigious scholarships of the world. If you're not taking out a day or two entirely like 20 hours to apply for this scholarship, it is not even worth it to apply to these scholarships. So if you're gonna take out 20 hours, only then apply. Otherwise, this video was not of that much use to you. Just ignore this video because you're just gonna keep on applying to scholarships and not get any reward. But if you're applying for scholarships, I would recommend you to watch this video. This tells you what exactly needs to be added in your profile. At the same time, I would also want you to watch this video if you want to know about German DART scholarship. And thank you so much for watching. I've already asked you to subscribe 4 times. I think that would be the last time I'll ask you for subscribe.